everyone is doing well, because I'm also fine, okay guys, without waste of time, now let me just get to the question. Here what I'll be solving problem 2. Problem 2, guys, they like to come from the exam. This one, they like to come to exam, guys. Make sure that you master something like this. Trust me, even this upcoming exam, it will be there. Trust me. So problem 2, guys, for nature of roots there, it is based off solving unknown value there, which is that value, it's t. So this is how you are given. They say that the solution of quadratic are given by, these are the solution of quadratic. And when we are talking, guys, about solution, they were talking about what? By the roots there. Those roots there are the x values. Don't forget. So the solution of quadratic are, the solution of the quadratic are given by this equation. Determine the value of t for which the equation has real roots there. So they need you guys to identify the value of t, which will make those roots, guys, to be real roots there. To be real roots, guys, this is what you should understand. Just go to your cheating method. Cheating method, which is this there. Here it's q equal. Just do your data matching there. Then you stretch 5 times. 1, 2, 3. You come and stretch 1 time. You don't stretch, you come and stretch here. And at this row, guys, you only stretch. Here you shade. The reason why you shade represent that you got no solution. Here you only got 1 roots, which they look the same, by the way. Then for this one, we'll got 2 roots there. Do you see? So now this thing, it simply says that it should have real roots. That thing that to have real roots, I'm considering all those are the real, guys. So it means it will have real roots, all of that row there. It will have real roots when delta it is equal to or it is greater than 0 there. Do you see? So it means that when delta it's greater than 0 or when delta it's equal to 0 there. But in maths, guys, this thing they will just write it in a simplest form. For us to write all of this thing, it means that delta can be greater than or equal to 0. It means that when the delta there is greater than or equal to 0, we'll be having real roots there. Do you see? So that one, guys, is so important for you to know it. But now, according to this solution there, they say that solution of quadratic are given as, do you see? So if they are given like that there, just understand something which is here, guys, it describes a what? A discriminant. Something which is inside a what? The square root. Something that is inside a square root, it describes a discriminant. And a discriminant, guys, it describes a what? A nature of roots. So this thing, they represent actually discriminant that describe the nature of roots. So it means our discriminant, we know it, it's t minus by 3. And what they need you to do, they need you to solve the values of t, whereby the equation will be real roots there. In order for it to be real roots, it means that the discriminant, or let me just write it this thing, to have real roots there, it simply says that the discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0 there. Do you see? And then now I know my discriminant is this one, meaning I can substitute the discriminant here. Substituting that discriminant, guys, that discriminant there, it will be t minus by 3 greater than 0 there. And now I can solve for what? I can solve for t. Taking that thing there to the other side, this is what I will have there, positive 3. So my t is greater than 3 there. So it means that for all values of t which are greater than 3 or equal to 3, they will make this thing there to be what? To be real roots there. And when I'm talking about real roots, it means that I can get existing number, a number which is existing, guys. like existing. Yeah, I hope that word I pronounce it well, guys. A number which is existing there. It means that if I can put any number of t which is greater than 3, any number for t which is greater than 3 will make this thing to be real. Imagine yourself now when it comes like this there, when they say that it will have equal roots there. It should just have equal roots there. For this thing, guys, to have equal roots, let's just go to the cheating method. Our cheating method, guys. Oh, what I'm doing now here is supposed to be greater, and now it's r equal this, and here we got squared, then stretch 5 times here, 3 times 1 2 3. Here you only stretch 1 time, you don't stretch, you come and stretch 1 time. And now remember, here, guys, it means that you got no solution here, and here you only got 1 solution. Here you got 2 solution. You see? Yeah. So this is what, guys, will happen there. I need this thing when it got equal roots. That thing, for it to have equal roots, it means that that's when our delta is equal to 0. When the delta is equal to 0, it means that I will got what? Real. I will have what? I will have equal roots, by the way. I will have equal roots there. Here I will be having equal roots there. So, guys, let's just go ahead and try to find those equal roots. So this is what you will do there. I know my delta according to that equation. Delta rates t minus by 3. But I want to find it where it got equal roots, meaning it should have equal roots there. For this thing, guys, to have equal roots, it simply says there, that's when our delta will be equal to 0. It will be equal to 0. Simply say again, now I know the value for delta. I know my delta rate is equal to t minus by 3, meaning now where there is delta, I can substitute t minus by 3 there. So that this thing there will be 0, then I can solve for t. Take that thing there to that other side, I'll got this there being positive, meaning that it's 3. Do you see this thing? So it means, guys, when t it is equal to 3, I will got equal roots there. Meaning this thing there, it will give me equal roots there. When this thing there is equal to 3, I will only got equal roots there. Let's try to prove it, that one. Because that one, it's easy to prove. This is how you do it there. There we got 3 plus square root of, here my t now, that t there, it's 3. Meaning put 3 there, minus by this, divided by 4. I will got this answer. Do you see? When it is positive. What about when it is negative? Even if, guys, it's negative there, you still got the same answer. Do you see? Even if there I can change. Do you see? Still I've got the same answer. Yeah. Because our t there is equal to 3 there. Do you see? Yeah. So a last question then. What about if it should have non-real roots there? So for this thing, guys, to have non-real roots, all the time just apply cheating method there. That cheating method, guys, it's a key of success, you know. So guys, it's good to cheat. So I'm proud of myself. So this thing there, it's like this there. This, which is there, we got real, which is equal, I. This thing is rational. This is real, and here equal, square. But now we stretch 5 times, meaning here 3 times 1 2 3. Stretch 1 time, you don't stretch, you come and stretch the 1. And remember, this thing there, it means that here you got what? You got no solution, you got 1 solution, you got 2 solution there. So this is what will happen, guys, here. I need it to work this thing that it will got non-real roots. That thing that it will got non-real roots when it's like this there. You see? Meaning when the delta it's less than 0. when delta is less than 0, it will got what? Non-real roots there. Non-real roots there. Do you see? Just know, guys, a non-real roots, it is that symbol. Non-real. That one. So I know my delta is this one there. It's equal to t minus by 3. Where did I know that delta? I know it according to that equation. What is inside the square root? It represents delta there. So now what I will do now, I need the values of t whereby that equation should be non-real, meaning it should have no solution there. It should have whereby delta, let me write this thing to have non-real roots there. It means that that's where the delta should be less than 0 there. So symbol says now where there is delta, I can substitute this thing like this there, which is that it's t minus by 3 less than 0 there. And now what I will do there, I should solve for t. Taking that thing there to that other side, it will become like this there. Meaning now that t there should be less than 3. It means that, guys, for all values of t which are less than 3, they will make that equation to be what? To be non-real. Let's try to prove that. This is what will happen. The squared 3 plus, which is this. Okay. The value which is less than 3, guys. The value which is less than 3, there it's 1, and say minus by 3 divided by 4. For all values of t which are less than 3, they will make this thing to be non-real, meaning that thing there it will got no solution. Let's press. Do you see? I got error because that thing there, it's all the values of t now are less than, which is putting 0, they are less than 3. It will be non-real, guys. What about if we put 2? Do you see? Yeah. So, guys, I will never teach you lies. Trust me. Something that I don't know, I won't teach you. I would rather keep quiet, guys, not posting that lesson if I don't know. But something that I know, trust me, I will send you. And you, if you did understood, just comment and like, even and share from others. But if you don't understand, please comment, guys, so that I will do more. Thank you, guys, for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you and keep yourself.